Welcome to HungryNaki University, an educational platform to help you learn, earn, and grow with us. In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of a latest feature, Shop Management. You will find this feature in the food menu bar of your option panel. Here are some useful options you can avail from this feature. Item Inactivation. You can search or select any item you will like to inactive. Once the activation button is pressed, you can inactive your items for certain hours, days, or even for indefinite time. To inactivate for some hours, you can select how many hours the item will remain offline. To inactivate for some days, you can select the date and time on which the item will get auto-activated. You can even offline items indefinitely after clicking on until I turn it back on. You can turn offline items back online anytime from the Inactive Items tab. Just click on the slider beside any offline item. We hope this helps. To learn more, check the videos and playlist available on this channel.